Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today we're covering AMD's AI event. Let's jump into it. So yesterday AMD had like a 2-hour long keynote presentation updating their product lines. Let's review what they announced and then discuss what it means for AMD's future. First up, AMD announced their 5th generation version of their Epyc data center CPUs based on a 3 nanometer process. Part of this announcement included clock speeds up to 5 gigahertz, which they claim is helpful for AI head nodes. And the architecture can support up to 192 cores for workloads that scale horizontally. So the announcement here was really basically a spec bump for AMD's data center CPUs. I don't see much here that's really game changing. There's some good talk about how these chips support AI, but this is the kind of progress, honestly, we expect in this space from AMD. Next, AMD announced their new data center GPUs called Instinct MI325X. Wow, what a name. These are AMD's chips that compete directly with Nvidia. Here the focus was more on chip memory and faster memory and more bandwidth. And they're really aimed at improving AI inference performance. Model training was mentioned, but honestly, it didn't seem all that impressive. And as the competition is so fierce in the AI GPU space, AMD even previewed next year's GPU, the MI350X. Even still, I didn't hear anything all that earth-shattering here. I don't see anything that would take AMD ahead of Nvidia. Nvidia seems like they're going to continue to lead this space for the foreseeable future. Next, AMD talked about software for a bit, specifically their ROCm open source toolchain, which competes with Nvidia's CUDA. New features, algorithms were mentioned, along with some partnerships with some standard AI tooling. SG Lang got a call out. Seems like AMD might be focusing on the inference market as compared to model training. But again, bit of a yawn here for me. I didn't see anything all that interesting. Lastly, AMD talked about their new chips for the Windows Copilot Plus PCs. You remember these chips combine a CPU with their neural processing engine that's used by Windows to deliver some of their new AI features. AMD didn't announce a new chip in this space, so again, rehashing old material, bit of a yawn. So that's about it. That's all AMD really said at this AI-focused announcement. I don't think they said anything that really changes the game. And in fact, it looks like the stock price took a little bit of a dip again. You can draw your own conclusions on what that means. Intraday stock prices are obviously volatile, so who knows if it's really correlated. But it does seem like AMD did not bring much to the table in this one. But what do you think? Leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.